In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache on your Hostinger hPanel. This is a simple yet crucial task for ensuring that any updates you've made to your website are visible to everyone who visits it. Caching is a technique that speeds up your website by temporarily storing copies of files, but sometimes it holds onto old versions of your site. When you've made changes to your site, clearing the cache ensures your visitors see the latest content. Let's begin by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're unfamiliar with hPanel, it's Hostinger's user-friendly control panel designed to help you manage your hosting service efficiently. Once you've accessed the login page, enter your credentials and hit Login. It's always a good idea to save your login details securely, especially if you're managing multiple sites or clients. Upon logging in, your dashboard will be your command center, providing access to all the tools you need. What you'll want to focus on today is the caching, or sometimes labeled as performance settings. These settings are part of the suite of tools designed to optimize your website's performance. You might find it amidst a list of other settings like PHP configurations or site security, so take your time to locate it and familiarize yourself with what's available. Once you've found the caching settings option, click on it. This will likely bring you to a page dedicated to your site's current caching status. The action you're looking for here is to clear cache, or alternatively, it might be labeled Purge Cache. These buttons serve the same purpose, to remove the cache data that might be preventing your recent changes from being visible online. Click on that button, and most likely, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the cache has been successfully cleared. The next step is quite simple. Refresh your website. You can do this by opening a new browser tab and navigating to your website's URL, or just hit refresh if the site is already open. This action requests a new version from the server rather than displaying the one stored in your browser's cache. By doing this, you'll be able to see all the latest updates you've administered concur across your website. This entire process is very straightforward but immensely powerful for maintaining an up-to-date and engaging website. Consider clearing your cache regularly, especially after making significant updates or changes. That way, you ensure your audience always accesses the most current version of your content. Once you apply these steps, you'll have ensured that your website is running smoothly, with content that accurately reflects the latest updates and improvements. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Enjoy managing your site with confidence using the tools Hostinger hPanel provides. Happy optimizing!